Fine girl. Good play, good play. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice Wow, my performance, madam.
Thank you. I feel awesome.
Excellent performance.
I feel awesome. I feel happy, wonderful, and very, very excited for my brother, the organizer, the initiator of the African Youth Tourism Festival. It's the maiden edition, and I know that this is going to bring youths from all over the world to Lagos. And I think Lagos State has done so well to support this, and we're very thankful to the Minister of Tourism for joining us here today and declaring this open. Thank you, everyone, for coming.
Thank you so much. Wonderful performance. Excellent team.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Keep it going.
Thank you very much. Thank you.